If you're looking for a super, super simple no-bake treat for the holidays, great for those holiday platters or for the kids, you're not gonna wanna miss this one. Hey everyone, it's Dorothy with crazyforcrust.com and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm showing you how to make holiday no-bake cereal treats. So this isn't just a regular old cereal treat, these are made with corn syrup, which makes them even chewier. I actually like these almost more than the kind you make with marshmallow. And I'm turning these into holiday by adding some holiday sprinkles. These also have peanut butter and chocolate and like a frosting. They are to die for. For more delicious desserts and easy recipes, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get in the kitchen. Start off by measuring out 6 cups of Rice Krispies and 3/4 of a cup of sprinkles. Stir that together. It's really important to get this done before you start cooking your sugar and corn syrup because things move really quickly once you do that. Then add a cup of granulated sugar and a cup of light corn syrup into a medium saucepan. You're gonna heat that over medium heat and bring it to a boil. So stir it together until the sugar dissolves. Just stir it until the sugar dissolves into the corn syrup, and then you're going to cook it until it boils. It'll take a few minutes to do so. Just keep stirring, don't walk away from the stove because it'll boil quickly and you don't want it to burn. Something about cooking the corn syrup and in this way to make these cereal treats makes these nice and chewy. I actually like them more than the marshmallow ones. It's very different. These are more crunchy and chewy, whereas marshmallow ones are more soft. So I know you're going to love these. It's really, really simple to make them. Once it gets nice and bubbly and boiling, go ahead and remove that from the pan. And then you're going to add 1 cup of creamy peanut butter and a teaspoon of vanilla extract into the pan. And stir it together to melt that peanut butter into the hot sugar mixture. Stir it until it's combined. Now we wanted to get everything prepped ahead of time because now it's moving fast. We don't want this to get cold. We want to stir it into the cereal mixture while it's nice and hot. So that's why we mixed everything together ahead of time. Pour the peanut butter mixture into the Rice Krispie mixture. And then you're gonna just stir that together until it's nice and combined. Make sure you're using a really large bowl. It might get everywhere, but that's okay. Just stir it carefully until it's nice and combined. Then I'm pressing it into a 9 by 13 inch pan that's been lined with foil that's been sprayed with nonstick cooking spray. Again, I recommend getting your pan ready before you start cooking. Go ahead and use a spatula or your hands to press it flat. Be careful because it is hot. Then we're gonna make the topping for this. Mix together 1.5 cups of chocolate chips with 1/2 cup of creamy peanut butter. Melt that in the microwave in 30-second increments until it's melted and smooth. And then simply pour it over the Rice Krispie treats in the pan and spread it out until it's nice and smooth. Now you can totally skip the sprinkles for this and just make these for every day, but I love adding the holiday sprinkles at holiday time. I'm using Jimmy's, which are the long, thin, like rainbow sprinkles. I'm using the red and green ones that you get this time of year. You can use rainbow ones if you want. You can use any color, which makes these perfect for any holiday or any event. Or again, just skip the sprinkles and make them all year long. And then I'm gonna just sprinkle it with some extra holiday sprinkles to make it nice and festive. You can let this sit on the counter to set, or you can chill it to set, and then slice it into bars, and it is time to serve it. These store really well. You can store them in the refrigerator. These travel really well. They're great for shipping. So they are really, really great for the holidays. And see how easy that was? And look how festive these are. These are fantastic to throw onto some holiday platters, or if you're going to a potluck. The kids love these too, because who doesn't love a cereal treat? Kids love those. These would also be so great with Cocoa Pebbles, that Cocoa Pebble mixed with that peanut butter. I think I need to try that next. Leave me a comment, let me know if you're gonna use sprinkles or not, and keep watching for even more holiday treats.